Well, hello, fellow knitters. This is one of my wife's CSMs, set currently with a 72 needle cylinder. I've been working on a counter for her. We do have a regular mechanical counter that clacks and whacks with every turn, but I wanted something a little more sophisticated, so I came up with this. This is a finger tip knitting counter that I've adapted to the CSM. You can see a couple of 3D printed parts and a piece of brass that put it all together. It's mounted simply with a very aggressive high-tack adhesive tape on the back. And in fact, has two tightening screws, as you can see. The one on the bottom is left to be permanent and locates your counter after knitting heels or toes. When you're in the process of knitting heels or toes, you simply move the counter out of the way, like so. Do your knitting, and when you're ready to start knitting in bunches, you put this back here, and there's actually a stop. It's right here, right there. It puts it back to where you started from. Let's see how this works. You can see that it's adjusted such that the yarn guide comes in and actually hits that counter, hits that piece of brass and counts. As you may or may not be able to see there, that's the number 1. And there's the second one. So let's look at the whole thing. And there's 10 stitches.